Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this full lace, and before that I'm going to just quickly fix in this contact lens into my eyes before we proceed into the video. So the items I'll be needing are got to be glue, gorilla gel, above spray, above mousse, and this is the wig out of the dummy head. So in case you don't know, I am a braider and I make braids. So Braid Made Easy is my brand name. So because the lace is looking a bit white, not a bit white, it is white, so I'm just using foundation. I used foundation to color that like my skin tone, and here we are just wearing the wig. So before we start laying down our full lace, I am going to properly set this and adjust it to how I want my front to look like. I'm just going to be laying the front because I can't do the back myself, so we are going to just focus on the front alone. So this is like my birthday shoot. So this is the hair I am going to be using. So I'm not only going to be showing you guys the hair, I'm going to be showing you also my makeup. I'm just going to rush through everything. Then I'm using the got to be spray on the lace to lay this flat. I don't have strength to start using ghost bond, and yes, so I think this is faster for me and it does the work perfectly, and I don't have to be too extra about it. So I'm just spraying this on the lace, then I'll let this dry. You can use blow dryer to do this. Then I start pressing in the lace into my skin. I press it down so that it does not move. Can you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm just trying to see if it's moving or not. So the next thing I do is I use the gorilla gel to lay my edges, and that is it. Like I just lay it. At this point you can lay it as you want, anyhow you want your baby hairs to look like. For me, I like dramatic baby hairs, so I'm just going to just do. But I think I changed this later on because I was not really feeling it. So anyhow you want your baby hairs to look like, no problem. So it's already blending to my skin a bit, but the makeup is going to do the whole work. So just wash. After this I'm just going to just lay the front. Yes, okay, sorry, I sprayed got to be spray on it so that the baby hair, everything is going to just lay. When I use the yes band on it, everything is just going to be extremely flat and it's going to be looking like my hair. That is how I want our wigs to look like. Yes, so yes, I'm done with this part. I'm just going to wear this bonnet to lay the baby hairs down, then I start prepping my skin for my makeup. So if you watched my previous video, you would know how I prep my skin by now. Cleanse with micellar cleansing water, which is very important. Setting spray, then I use serum for my moisturizer, then I prime my skin. I use my sweat block and all of that before we start the foundation. So let me put this out before I try and explain what I'm doing. So I am a braider. In case you don't know, the wig on my head, I made the braid wig. So I'm going to put my business page, like my braid page, on the screen for you guys to see. We'll make worldwide delivery. If you're interested or you want to learn, you can just DM me on my WhatsApp. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so, and yes, please watch to the end. So after everything, I am just going to apply this foundation on my skin. I know that this foundation is looking a bit light, a bit, it's going to suck into my skin. So I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation, not my foundation, sorry, this foundation into my skin. And you can see that I'm not applying this underneath my eyes. I'm trying to avoid that part because we are going to apply concealer, and since I stopped applying foundation underneath my eyes, it has really been helpful. My foundation, my makeup don't break underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to use this ZK concealer because I'm going for my birthday shoot and I want this makeup to be popping. So we are going to be highlighting twice. So this is the first shade I'm using. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, my forehead, my cupid bow, and blending this out with the same damp beauty blender. Is it beauty blender or beauty sponge? I don't know. So after that, I'm going to be contouring my face with this palette. It's a lip palette. Yes, I use it for contouring. And also I'm going to just chisel my face to look slim. I'm applying blush with the same palette and the same brush. Then I'm going to use that damp beauty blender. Like, get yourself a beauty blender that does the work perfectly. You will thank me later. So I'm just going to just blend everything together. Then yes, can you see the way my face is looking? This is beautiful. So I'm going to be highlighting with this concealer. I think it's the Nuban concealer. Yes, the lightest shade. I can't remember. So I'm just going to just blend. Yes. So I told you guys I'm going to be using 2 colors because I want my makeup to be popping because it's a shoot. So after I'm done blending everything together, I am going to be setting. I am setting right now. I am not baking. I am setting my under eyes I'm preventing this from creasing before we start baking. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with my very good very good palette powder. I'm going to just set everything together before I start baking. So let me just say this one more time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like this video, and drop your comment. Say, I can't really thank you guys enough for your love, for your support. Like, I know I have not been consistent with posting. I have been busy with work and I am so sorry, but I am trying my best to really meet up with lots of, like, I have lots of video requests. I'm trying my best. So I really wish that I can do better, but I really want to just thank you guys for being there, being supportive, and you guys have been really amazing. My followers, like, thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for watching my videos. And yes, I just want to tell you guys that I love you and I'll try my best to do better. So right now I'm just applying blush. Then yes, I'm just going to just bronze up my skin or highlight my skin. I don't know which one, but you understand. Then yes, that is what I just did. I'm using this very good glow kit to highlight the highest point of my cheek, so that when the photographer hits that point with the light, it's going to be popping. So because I said I'm going for a shoot, I want my makeup, especially my under eyes, to be popping. That's why I'm doing this. You don't necessarily have to do this, it's just on me. So right now I am applying gloss to my lips. Like, if you know me, if you watched my previous videos, you would know that gloss, for me, gloss is everything. I can't, like, my makeup does not feel complete without gloss. Like, so yes, this is the finished look and I am ready to go for my shoot. Yes, so Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.